Hi, my name is SHENG, and now I am going to present the Direct Online Starter or DOL Motor Starter simulation. Before I start the simulation, let me show you on how to construct the circuit for this DOL operation simulation. So now I am going to simulate to you the DOL motor starter simulation. So in initial condition, magnetic contactor at this will not energize, so the motor will not running. Therefore, there is a stop light, which is a red color light will turn on. The indicator trip light, which is yellow, and run light will off. So when the start button is pushed for forwarding the motor, the magnetic contactor will energize. Therefore, all of its contact will change over to here. So that is a latching circuit of a magnetic contactor that parallel with the start button, which is this magnetic contactor and this start button. So the coil of magnetic contactor will energize for all the time until the circuit is break. The normally close contact of a magnetic contactor at stop indicator light will be open. Therefore, the stop indicator will turn off, or this red light will off. So when the start button is pressed, the green color light or run indicator will on. In the power circuit, the contacts of magnetic contactor are closed. The current are allowed to the motor. therefore the motor will keep running forward direction until the stop button is pressed. As you can see, when the stop button is pressed, the red indicator will on, then the motor will stop, where the magnetic contactor at stop indicator will de-energize. So when the stop button is pressed, all the circuit will open, all the load and device are bring back to initial state. As you can see, the motor is stopped running and the run and trip indicator light is off, and the stop indicator is on. So for the trip case of overload, if there is a current flowing into the load is greater than the permitted setting value, over time the overload relay will trip and the trip indicator will turn on, which is the yellow light will turn on, and the run and stop indicator will off, and the motor will stop running. So when it is reset, it will back to initial condition, which is the red indicator or the stop indicator will turn on, motor will stop working again, and the trip indicator or the yellow light will off. So that's all for the DOL motor starter simulation. So thank you.
Hello, my name is Ng Wei Tao, and I will show you the forward and reverse motor starter circuit. So before we start the simulation, let me show you the construction of this electrical diagram. So that is the construction of the diagram. Now let us start the simulation. So when the push button for forward is pressed, motor starts to move forward and the normally closed contact at reverse circuit is open. This is to prevent both forward and reverse circuit run from the same time. So when the stop button is pressed, the motor stops running. Now let us press the push button for reverse. So when the push button for reverse is pressed, the motor moves reversely and the normally closed contact at forward circuit is open. So when we trip the circuit, the trip lamp is lights up, which is yellow, and no current is flowing. Forgot to mention that when forward circuit is running, the forward lamp lights up. When the reverse circuit is running, the reverse lamp lights up. So that's all from me. Thank you.